Hi guys, Freebird here, and welcome to my new video, yay! And today we'll be looking at some tokens. As you may know, or if you don't, 5 years ago I posted a video showing my token collection at the time. Well, since then, either through coin machines on the ground, or whatever, or clean up here, we found a lot more tokens. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the Pizza Time Theater tokens prior to 1983. So everything you see here is going to be either from, well, we're in our first year, from 1979 through 1982. No clickbait here, I promise. If anytime video you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Let's get on to it. So, in the last video, if you watch it, I said, oh, I have a special token, I think I said. Well, here it is. The first one I'm going to be looking at is a 1979 Chuck E. Cheese Pizza Time Theater token from Huntington Beach, California. See, you can see Huntington Beach. Apparently they didn't do this much long. So, as you can see, it's 1979. Next we look at another token, but unlike this one was used prior to 1982. I'm an 83, excuse me. Before Showbiz Pizza bought out the rights to Chuck E. Cheese's. So as we can see here, it's just like the other one, but there's no city. As you can see, 81, and then another 81, in a little bit poor condition. Now this one is one of 3 in the worst conditions. This is a 1982, as you can see here. Another 1982 one. 1982 one. Oh, and by the way, this was 5 years in the making. Just want to throw it out there quickly. Another 82 one. So yeah, as you can tell, the rest are going to be all 82. See, 1982. And what makes prior to 1990 is that these tokens have a heads and tails. The ones that they used in later years were just one design in the front and the same design in the back. So 1982. And then 1982. And then, quick fun fact, one of the restaurants that is by me, this slogan that they have on one of the walls is this model right here, the original Chuck E. Cheese model. So before I end this, I know this is all mixed up, but this video was first started by a YouTuber called Big Cheese, who since do his account, so I'm carrying on the legacy of showing my token collection. And again, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my video to see some fantastic content. Okay, remember guys, don't be caged and just be free as you want. Bye.